Hi and welcome to Heal My Hemorrhoids. In this video you will learn how to use castor oil for hemorrhoids, what tips and tricks to use when treating hemorrhoids. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. To use castor oil externally for hemorrhoids, take a cotton ball and dip or soak it in the castor oil and apply to the affected area and let it stay there for about 15 minutes. Do this daily for a week's time. For internal use, take 3 ml of castor oil, mix it with milk as a laxative if you are constipated. This can help clear out constipation. Castor oil is popular for its many advantages since antiquity. It is very rich in fatty acids including nourishes skin, nails, hair, ricinoleic acid, and more, naturally. Castor oil could be truly helpful in treating hemorrhoids. In this article, we will learn how to use castor oil for hemorrhoids, its advantages, and its side effects. It is not less than a magical wand for anyone suffering from hemorrhoids. Uses of castor oil for hemorrhoids. Before considering trying this castor oil, it's vital to note that castor can be only used on hemorrhoids that are outside. So, clearly this natural treatment will not work for internal hemorrhoids. For the use of castor oil for hemorrhoids, you'd need to soak a cotton ball into this oil and then apply gently on the affected area. In most cases, it's sufficient to leave the cotton ball with this essential oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this period you'd start feeling less itching and pain associated with hemorrhoids. If the hemorrhoid symptoms persist, it's also possible to repeat this well-known home remedy a couple of times a day. Since castor oil applications are known to be highly efficient in reducing pulls, it might be worthwhile to apply a couple of times each day. A few sources also recommend mixing this castor oil with other oil. One fine choice for essential oil can be tea tree oil, since it's known to be able to reduce inflammation. When mixing both tea tree oil and castor oil, it's sufficient to add some drops of these oils on a cotton ball or soft cloth and then gently apply it on the affected spot. Here is one way of mixing castor oil with other oils. This is what you need. Castor oil, 3 tablespoons tea tree oil, half a cup a small bowl cotton balls coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. Take the small bowl and add all the ingredients to it. Stir it very well and dip the cotton balls into the oil and apply to the affected area. Repeat this until the pain starts to go away. If the pain gets worse, seek help from your doctor. It can be good to try a dip on your arm before applying to the hemorrhoids. If you get a rash or the air gets red, you might be allergic to it. Advantages of castor oil in hemorrhoids. The benefits of castor oil are antifungal, anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant-rich, antibacterial. Does castor oil shrink hemorrhoids? As castor oil is very rich in antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory benefits, castor oil can reduce the pain and swelling of hemorrhoids. Castor oil for hemorrhoids is an easily accessible home treatment. It is a vegetable oil made from castor beans. Most commonly this essential oil is applied by the medical and cosmetic sectors. It's said to be extremely efficient for the skin. We know castor oil is a purely natural product. When a hemorrhoids patient applies this, she or he needs to take fine rest. This oil helps in regenerating tissues of the body in the procedure. In addition, it acts as a laxative to cure constipation when taken orally that further prevents hemorrhoids. This oil can remove cleanse and bacteria from the body, further decreasing the risk of ailment in the body. Is it good to use castor oil for hemorrhoids? Castor oil can be widely helpful for piles. Using this method of cure is safe and natural. Be certain to follow any instructions as indicated by the product or your health provider. A couple of drops of castor oil to external piles can soothe the collective feeling of discomfort, pain, and itchiness, and also help subside any burning you might experience with piles. Ask your health provider if you're interested in using this as a laxative to decrease your internal piles before doing so. Your health provider might advise against laxative, all depending on the condition of your pile. Though, as a method to end constipation, it has proven itself to be a successful technique. Treating constipation can subsequently help with pile flare-up management. Castor oil is fine for piles, but what's equally as fine is a change of lifestyle and diet, if needed. If you're overweight, castor oil could be an aggravator to your piles because of the pressure situated on the lower rectal muscles and veins. If you don't get enough fiber, this also makes your piles worse, making stools more stressful to pass and leading to constipation. A diet full of fiber and keeping a healthy weight by taking plenty of water and workouts are all part of managing piles. Castor oil is fine for temporarily curing piles, but these effective changes of lifestyles can keep piles at bay more lasting. What are the possible side effects of using castor oil? In general, it's safe and efficient to use, which is also recognized by the FDA. In spite of this, should be used with caution since there's a list of harmful side effects that castor oil can cause. All depending on how it is being applied orally or topically, major side effects can vary too. When castor oil is used topically on the affected area, it is possible that a slight number of adults might experience an allergic reaction to it. Before used a huge quantity of essential oil topically, it might be a fine idea for a simple allergy test. If a couple of drops of castor oil on arm causes some symptoms like redness, itching, or rashes, it might mean that you're allergic to it. It is also quite commonly used orally to cure constipation. It's quite a famous laxative and it can assist to enhance movement in the intestines. Orally use of essential oil is quite commonly linked with side effects like digestive comfort, diarrhea, and other gastrointestinal issues. Due to these very possible adverse reactions, it's best to avoid using this orally for people who have piles because it can make hemorrhoid symptoms even worse. For ladies who are pregnant, it's vital to consult a health provider about using this oil. This is mainly because castor oil has been utilized for centuries to induce labor. Final thoughts using castor oil for hemorrhoids. Though it has a lot of major side effects too, castor oil is still extremely beneficial to treat piles or hemorrhoids as it completely reduces swelling, itching, and inflammation. So if you're using this essential oil, just be careful to take a few essential steps while using it, so you'll not face any sort of issue. The great part of this oil is that it's not only best for treating hemorrhoids, but it also increases hair growth, and vital essential fatty acids in this essential oil help to regain the skin's natural moisture balance. After all, castor oil is the best natural product which you'd keep at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hope the video was helpful.